Till question number 1180. In this video, we will cover from question number 1181. Let's begin.
Question 1181. Who wrote Gitanjali? A. Vivekananda. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bankim Chandra. D. Ishwar Chandra. B. Answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 1182. Question 1182. Who was the first Nobel Prize winner from India? A. C. Raman. B. Amartya Sen. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Mother Teresa. Answer C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 1183. Who was the first Indian to go to jail in freedom struggle? A. Tilak. B. Gandhi. C. Dadabhai Naoroji. D. C. Raja Gopalachari. D. Answer A. Tilak. Question number 1184. The annual trials were held in A. Madras. B. Delhi. C. Bombay. D. Calcutta. Answer is B. Delhi. Question 1185. The Forward Bloc was founded by A. Gandhi. B. Bose. C. Nehru. D. Tilak. Answer is B. Bose. Question number 1186. Question number 1186. The demand for Pakistan was raised in A. 1935. B. 1943, 1942, 1945, answer 1940. Question 1187. The resolution of 1940 is also known as A. Pakistan Resolution. B. Independence Resolution. C. Swaraj Resolution. D. Muslim Pact. Answer A. Pakistan Resolution. Question 1188. Who was the viceroy at the time of Quit India movement? A. Let B. Rebel. C. Mountbatten. D. Rising. Answers A. and let go. Question 1189. Who was the viceroy at the time of India's independence? A. Let B. Rebel. C. Mountbatten. D. Curzon. Answer C. Mountbatten. Question number 1190. Princely state of Hyderabad was integrated into India by A. Operation Blue Star. B. Operation Polo. C. Operation Flood. D. Operation Vijay. Answer is B. Operation Polo. Question number 1191. Goa was liberated from Portuguese in A. 1959. B. 1960. C. 1961. D. 1962. Answer C. 1961. Question number 1192. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. D. Sucheta Triplani. Answer B. Indira Gandhi. Question 1193. Program nuclear test was conducted in A. 1972. B. 1973. C. 1974. D. 1975. Answer is C. 1974. Question number 1194. Two nuclear tests was conducted in A. 1997. A. 1997. B. 1998. C. 1999. D. 1000. Answer is B. 1998. Question number 1195. Who was the first woman president of India? Indira Gandhi. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sonia Gandhi. D. Patliputra. Answer is Pratibha Patil. Question number 1196. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan Jai Vigyan? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Vajpayee. D. Kalam. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1197. The Planning Commission of India was set up in A. 1947. B. 1948. C. 1950. D. 1951. Answer C. 1950. Question number 1198. Who was the first finance minister of India? A. Nehru. B. Patel. C. John Marshall. D. Shanmugam Chetty. D. Answer is D. Shanmugam Chetty. Question number 1199. Who was the first law minister of India? A. Patel. B. Ambedkar. C. Nehru. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer is B. Ambedkar. Question 1200. Question 1200. The slogan India is Indira, Indira is India was given during was given during A. 1969, B. 1971, C. 1975, D. 1980. Answer is B. 1971. Question number 102. The Great Bath has been found at A. B. Lahore, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Dolabara. Answer C. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 1203. Main occupation of Indus Valley people was A. Hunting, B. Agriculture, C. B. Agriculture, C. Pastoralism, D. Fishing, and D. Agriculture. Rigveda consists of how many hymns? A. 1000, B. 1028, C. 1200, D. 1500. Answer B. 1028. Question number 1205. The Gayatri Mantra is addressed to A. Agni, D. Indra, C. Savitri, D. Varuna, C. Answer C. Savitri. Question number 26. Who was the founder of Jainism? A. Rigveda. A. Rishabdev, B. Mahavira, C. Parshvanatha, D. Buddha. Answer is A. Rishabdev. Question number 207. Who was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism? A. Rishabdev, B. Mahavira, C. Parshvanatha, D. Gopinath. Answer is B. Mahavira. Question number 1200. Gautama Buddha was born at A. Bodh Gaya, B. Lucknow, C. Sarnath, D. Kushinagar, B. Answer B. Lumbini. Question number 1009. Buddha attained enlightenment at A. D. Sarnath, D. Bodh Gaya, D. Rajgir. Answer C. Bodh Gaya. Question number 1210. Buddha delivered his first sermon at A. Lumbini, B. Bodh Gaya, C. Kushinagar, D. Sarnath. Answer D. Sarnath. Question number 11. The language of Buddhist scriptures was A. Sanskrit, B. Pali, C. Prakrit, D. Tamil. Answer C. Pali. Question number 1212. Ashoka inscriptions were written in A. Tamil, D. Rashti, C. Prakrit, D. All of these. Answers D. All of these. Question number 1213. Who was the founder of the Satavahana dynasty? A. Gatliputra, Satyavahana, Shiluvasi, Lumavi, Raja Sri Satyavahana. Answer B. Shiluvasi. The famous Allahabad pillar inscription describes the achievement of A. Asoka, B. Samudradutta, C. Harshavardhana, D. Samudradutta. Answer B. Samudradutta. Question number 1215. Ajanta caves are associated with A. Jainism, B. Hinduism, C. Buddhism, D. Zoroastrianism. Answer C. Buddhism. Question number 1260. Who is called the Napoleon of India? A. Chandragupta, B. Samudragupta, C. Harsha, D. Ashoka. Answer B. Samudragupta. Question number 1217. Harshavardhana wrote A. Nagananda, B. Priyadarshita, C. Ratnavali, D. All of these. Answers D. All of these. Question number 1218. The capital of Rashtrakutas was A. Badami, B. Malkhed, C. Kalyani, D. Jayagiri. Answer C. Market. Question number 1219. Who founded the Chola dynasty? Vijayalaya, B. Rajaraja, C. Rajendra, D. Kulothunga. Answers A. Vijayalaya. Question number 1220. The bronze Nataraja image is associated with A. Chola, B. Andhras, C. Cheras, D. Pallavas. Answers A. Cholas. Question number 1221. The Bhakti movement was first led by A. Kabir, B. Ramanuja, C. Chaitanya, D. Nanak, D. Ramanuja. Answer C. Ramanuja. Question number 1222. The Sufi saint who founded the Chishti order in India was A. Nizamuddin Aulia, B. Moinuddin Chishti, C. Sheikh Ahmad Kahindi, D. Baba Farid, D. Baba Farid. Answer B. 1816. Answer is B. Moinuddin Chishti. Question number 1223. The Qutub Minar was completed by A. Din Abad, B. Iltutmish, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Balban. Answers B. Iltutmish. Question 1224. The Sultan who introduced token currency was A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Balban, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Firoz Shah. Answer C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 1225. Who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? A. Harihara and Boka, B. Krishnadeva, C. Bala, D. Saluva and Narasimha. Answer C. Harihara and Boka. Question number 1226. The capital of the Mani Kingdom was A. Baida, B. Gulbarga, C. Bijapur, D. Ahmadnagar. Answer C. Gulbarga. Question number 1227. The Battle of Khanwa 1527 was fought between A. Babar and Rana Sanga, B. Babar and Lori, C. Humayun and Shesha. Shesha, D. Akbar and Hemu. Answer C. Babar and Rana Sanga. Question number 1228. Who was the first Mughal emperor to issue coins with kalima? A. Babur, B. Akbar, C. Aurangzeb, D. Humayun. Answers D. Humayun. Question number 1229. The Din Ilahi was started by A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Akbar, D. Jahangir. Answer C. Akbar. Question number 1230. Answer C. Akbar. Question number 1230. Who built Taj Mahal? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Jahangir, D. Aurangzeb. Answer B. Shah Jahan. Question number 1231. Who was the living saint? A. Babur, B. Jahangir, C. Aurangzeb, D. Shah Jahan. Answer C. Aurangzeb. Question number 1232. Answer C. Aurangzeb. Question number 1232. The Battle of Plassey was fought in A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1773, D. 1784. Answer A. 1757. Question number 1233. The Treaty of Allahabad 1765 granted Diwani rights to A. French, B. British East India Company, C. Portuguese, D. Dutch. Answer B. British India Company. Question number 1234. The Regulating Act was passed in A. 1765, B. 1773, C. 1784, D. 1793. Answers B. 1773. Question number 1235. The permanent settlement was introduced by A. Wallace, B. Wellesley, C. Dalhousie, D. Hastings, and Wallace. Question number 1236. The rotatory system was introduced by A. MVP, Wallace C. Hastings D. Dalhousie. Answers A. And red. And question number 1237. The Maharwari system was introduced in A. Bengal, B. Punjab, and C. Bombay and D. Bombay, C. Bombay, D. Madras, answers B. Punjab and up. Question number 1238. The subsidiary alliance was introduced by A. Dalhousie, B. Wellesley, C. Cornwallis, D. Hastings. Answers B. Wellesley. Question number 1239. The doctrine of lapse was associated with A. Wellesley, B. Dalhousie, C. Ripon, D. Cousin. Answers B. Dalhousie. Question number 1240. The revolt of 1857 started at A. Lucknow, B. Delhi, C. Meerut, D. Answer C. Meerut. Question number 1241. Who led the revolt in Kanpur? A. Nana Sahib, B. Rani Lakshmibai, C. Begum Hazrat Mahal, D. Tantia 2. Answers A. Nana Sahib. Question number 1242. Who led the revolt in Jhansi? A. Begum Hazrat Mahal, B. Tantia 2, C. Rani Lakshmibai, D. Singh. Answer C. Rani Lakshmibai. Question number 1443. The Indian National Congress was founded in A. 1883, B. 1885, C. 1887, D. 1890. Answers B. 1887. Question number 1244. The first president of India was A. W.C. Banerjee, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Tilak, D. Surendranath. Answers A. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 1245. The partition of Bengal took place in A. 1903, B. 1904, C. 1905, D. 1906. Answer is C. 1905. Question number 1246. Question number 1246. The Home Rule League was started by A. Tilak and Annie Besant, B. Gokhale, C. Surendranath, D. Dadabhai. Answer C. Tilak and Annie Besant. Question number 1247. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in A. 1971, B. 1917, D. 1918, C. 1919, D. 1920. Answer C. 1919. Question number 1248. The Simon Commission came in A. 1927, B. 1928, C. 1929, D. 1930. Answers B. 1928. Question number 1249. The Lahore Session of 1929 declared A. Swadeshi, B. Swaraj, C. Quit India, D. Non-cooperation. Answers B. Purna Swaraj. Question number 1250. The Quit India was launched in A. 1940, B. 1941, C. 1942, D. 1943. Answer is C. 1942. Question number 1251. The Cripps mission came to India in A. 1939, B. 1940, C. 1942, D. 1945. Answer C. 1942. Question number 1252. Cabinet mission plan came in A. 1942, B. 1944, C. 1946, D. 1947. Answer C. 1946. Question number 1253. Who was the President of Constituent Assembly? A. B. Ambedkar, C. Rajendra Prasad, B. Patel. C. Answer C. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 1254. Question number 1254. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? A. Nehru. B. Ambedkar. C. Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answers B. Ambedkar. Question number 1255. The Constitution of India came into effect on A. January 26, 1949. B. January 26, 1950. C. August 15, 1947. D. August 15, 1948. Answers B. January 26, 1950. Question number 1256. The first general elections in India were held in A. 1948 to 49. B. 1950 to 51. C. 1951 to 52. D. 1952 to 53. Answer C. 1951 to 52. Question number 1257. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Patel. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Nehru. D. Ambedkar. Answer C. Nehru. Question number 1258. The States Reorganization Act was passed in A. 1954. D. 1955. C. 1956. D. 1958. Answer C. 1956. Question number 1259. The Panchayat Raj system was first introduced in A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. Answer is A. Rajasthan. Question number 1260. The first 5-year plan was launched in A. 1948. B. 1950. C. 1951. D. 1952. Answer is 1951. Question number 1261. The second 5-year plan emphasized A. Agriculture. B. Heavy industries. C. Green revolution. D. IT sector. Answer is B. Heavy industries. Question number 1262. The Green revolution in India was introduced in A. 1960s. B. 1970s. C. 1980s. D. 1990s. Answer is A. 1960s. Question number 1263. Operation Flood was related to A. Milk. B. Food grain. C. Oil. D. Sugar. Answer is A. Milk. Question number 1264. The Operation Blue Star took place in A. 1982. B. 1983. C. 1984. D. 1985. Answer C. 1984. Question number 1265. The Pokhran first nuclear test was conducted in A. 1972. B. 1973. C. 1974. D. 1975. Answer C. 1974. Question number 1266. The Pokhran 2 nuclear test was conducted in A. 1997. B. 1998. C. 1999. D. 2000. Answer C. 1998. Question number 1267. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Vijay Lakshmi. D. Pratibha Patil. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1268. Who was the first woman President of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. D. Sudhita Kriplani. Answer B. Pratibha Patil. Question number 1269. Goa was liberated from Portuguese in A. 1959. B. 1960. C. 1961. D. 1960. Answer C. 1961. Number 1270. The 22nd state of India in A. 1973. B. 1974. C. 1975. D. 1976. Answer C. 1975. Question number 1271. The slogan Garib Hatao was given by A. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question number 1272. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? A. Nehru. B. Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Vajpayee. Answer is B. Shastri. Question number 1273. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan? A. Vajpayee, B. Kalam, C. Nehru, D. Shastri. Answer is A. Vajpayee. Question number 1274. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? A. C.V. Raman, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Amartya Sen, D. Mother Teresa. Answer C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 1275. Question number 1275. Who was the first Indian scientist to win Nobel Prize? A. C. D. Amartya Sen. C. Hargobind Khorana, D. Subramanian Chandrasekhara. Answers A. C.V. Raman. Question number 1276. The Chipko movement began in A. 1972, B. 1973, C. 1974, D. 1975. Answers B. 1973. Question number 1277. The Bhavan was started by A. Vinoba Bhave, B. J.P. Narayan, C. Gandhi, D. Nehru. Answers A. Vinoba. Question 1278. The slogan Inqilab Zindabad was given by A. Gandhi, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Bose, D. Nehru. Answers B. Bhagat Singh. Question number 1279. The forward block was founded by A. Tilak, B. Bose, C. Nehru, D. Gandhi. Answers B. Bose. Question number 1280. The Indian National Army INA was recognized by A. Tilak, B. Bose, C. Gandhi, D. Patel. Answers B. Bose. Question number 1281. Who was the viceroy at the time of Quit India movement? A. Curzon, B. Nitko, C. Wavell, D. Mountbatten. Answers B. Nitko. Question number 1282. Who was the viceroy at the time of independence? A. Nitko, B. Wavell, C. Mountbatten, D. Curzon. Answer C. Mountbatten. Question number 1283. Question number 1283. The princely state of Hyderabad was integrated into India by A. Operation Polo, B. Operation Vijay, C. Operation Flag, D. Operation Blue Star. Answer C. Operation Polo. Question number 1284. Question number 1284. The princely state of Junagadh was merged to India in A. 1946, B. 1947, C. 1948, D. 1949. Answer C. Question number 1285. The princely state of Kashmir was integrated by A. Accession Treaty, B. Operation Polo, C. Operation Vijay, D. Shimla Agreement. Answers A. Accession Treaty. Answers A. Accession Treaty. Question number 1286. The first war between India and Pakistan was in A. 1947 to 48, B. 1965, C. 1971, D. 1999. Answers A. 1947 to 48. Question number 1287. The second war between India and Pakistan was in A. 1962, B. 1965, C. 1971, D. 1999. Answers B. 1965. Question number 1288. The third war between India and Pakistan was in A. 1965, B. 1971, C. 1984, D. 1999. Answer is B. 1971. Question number 1289. The Kargil War took place in A. 1997, B. 1998, C. 1999, D. 2000. Answer C. 1999. Question 1290. The Shimla Agreement was signed in A. 1971, B. 1972, C. 1973, D. 1972. Answers B. 1972. Question number 1291. The Panchsheel Agreement was signed between India and China in A. 1972, B. 1974, C. 1956, D. 1959. Answers B. 1958. Question number 1292. India fought a war with China in Question number 1292. Question number 1292. India fought a war with China in A. 1959 B. 1960 C. 1962 D. 1965. Answer C. 1962. Question number 1293. Bangladesh was created in A. 1969 B. 1970 C. 1971 D. 1972. Answer C. 1971. Question number 1294. Indian test nuclear test was codenamed A. Operation Smiling Buddha B. Operation Shakti C. Operation Vijay D. Operation Flood. Answers A. Operation Smiling Buddha. Question number 1295. Cochrane 2 nuclear test was codenamed A. Operation Shakti B. Operation Smiling Buddha C. Operation Vijay D. Operation Polo. Answers A. Operation. Question number 1226. Who was the first woman to preside over UN General Assembly? A. Sarojini Naidu B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit C. Indira Gandhi D. Pratibha Patil. Answer C. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question number 1097. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? A. Sarojini Naidu. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C. Sucheta Kriplani. D. Indira Gandhi. Answers A. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 1298. Who was the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? A. Sucheta Kriplani. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Jayalalitha. Answers A. Sucheta Kriplani. Question number 1299. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Chandri Pal. B. Santosh Yadav. C. Premlata Agrawal. D. Aruna Sinha. Answers A. Chandri Pal. Question number 1300. Who was the first Indian in space? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Sunita Williams. C. Rakesh Sharma. D. Ravish Malhotra. Answer C. Rakesh Sharma.
Completed till question number 1300. In the next video, we will cover from question number 1301. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much to whoever is watching. I catch you in the next one. Alright, guys, I'm go now. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you find my teaching helpful, do share it with your friends so that more people can learn. Okay, then bye.